Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Dr. Bhavna Manoj from Divine Veda. And today I am here with a very interesting topic that most of the people ask. Being an Ayurvedic physician, this one doubt would be the frequent question that all of the people ask us. So, do you want to know what is this topic? It's none other than the hair care in Ayurveda. Being the most ancient science, give immense importance about hair care. And there are various reasons that Acharyas have explained about thousands of years ago. So let us get into this video and get to know what are these all about. Hair is considered as the most important part of physical appearance for all human beings, irrespective of age and gender. The Ayurvedic approach on hair care is different as it gives importance to both internal care as well as external care. Ayurveda also aims in curing the root cause rather than considering them just externally. As per Ayurveda, poor digestion or Manda Agni is considered as the causative factor for all kind of diseases in body. And this unhealthy hair is a reflection of improper diet as well as a wrong pattern of lifestyle. Well-being of a body completely depends upon the ample amount of nutrition, wholesome diet, balanced diet, and a balanced and a healthy lifestyle with proper care. There are n number of people who come to us and ask about this condition. They are so much worried having so much of bad hair fall or hair problems. So the one thing which you all have to give importance is you have to nourish your body, and that is the most important part for a proper hair care. So it is not just that you have to love your hair externally. You have to nourish your body internally so that your body gives you such an immense and a great response. So let us now talk about what are the causes for these conditions that lead to improper or poor hair growth. The causes can be different, that depends upon person to person. But the one important factor is a poor nutrition.
Healthy nutrition is one important factor that helps your body to grow and regrow. So it's very important to maintain a healthy and a wealthy nutrition.
Another important reason for hair problems are hormonal imbalances in the body.
The hair follicles are incredibly productive and constantly undergoing cyclic changes. So these hormonal imbalances deranges them.
Unhealthy diet and improper lifestyle habits.
The altered food habits as well as the lifestyle modifications have very immensely affected the health of the people. So it is very important to avoid all these from your diet for a healthy body and hair.
As per Ayurveda, among the three doshas, the Vata dosha and Pitta dosha act as causative factors in these conditions. Due to the improper lifestyle habits and diet problems and much more reasons, the Vata and Pitta dosha in the body get increased, and thus the symptoms and the problems to your hair increases. Unhealthy diet and unhealthy lifestyle habits is a very important problem that has been increasing for the generation nowadays. So it is very important that you have to be very selective about your food intake. If you take foods which are junk like pizzas, burgers a lot in your diet, then these are going to harm you very negatively, because all these can again increase the Pitta and Vata dosha of your body, and that in turn can lead to much more problematic conditions. Health conditions like thyroid, PCOD, etc.
Thyroid and PCOD problems are again related to the hormonal imbalances in the body. So this also deranges the conditions.
Long-term use of medications.
This condition is also very common where persons or patients who are undertaking medicines for a longer period of time tend to have this condition of hair falls.
Scalp infections, and also in conditions like psoriasis, tinea, lichen planus, etc. Deficiency conditions of iron, calcium due to improper intake of foods. Stress. Stress is one of the major causes that has been increasing as a causative factor for hair loss. And a lot of people are just unaware about this condition. Even you can be one of them who are not aware about this condition, that even stress conditions can lead to much more of hair fall. So do you want to know what is the reason for this condition? Stress plays a major role in hair health. The Vata and Pitta dosha, which gets increased due to the improper functioning, deranges the body, and thus the body functions slow down. And thus it leads to much more harmful conditions and leading to much more hair problems. Use of harsh hair care products.
All these can alter the quality of hair as well as the roots too.
Environmental factors. In Ayurvedic view of our body, your hair has different constitutions according to the three doshas, that is Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. So all these have different kind of peculiar characters which has been explained. So let us see what are the types of Vata type of characters, Pitta type of characters and Kapha type of characters for hairs. A person having Vataja hair type will be having his hair very thin in volume, dry in nature. They would be mostly curly and straight in between, would be present with a lot more of split ends. It would be a bit difficult to grow even if you take care. In patients with Pitta type of hair, the person would be having symptoms and characteristics which would be moderately thick hair, mostly straight in nature. Premature graying would be present in certain patients or persons. The hair would be thinner in nature. The person would be feeling burning sensation or hot head all the time. The person with Kapha type of hair would be thick in volume, mostly curly in nature. They would be more prone to have dandruff kind of conditions in their scalp. So all the persons would be having these kind of combination hairs. So it is very normal to have a peculiar kind of hair, but according to the condition, you have to take care. So in the coming videos, we will be talking about more how to take care about the hair and what are the peculiar things that you have to keep in your mind, the diet and the treatments in Ayurveda. What are the symptoms that your body shows off when your hair is not in a proper condition? We will be finding it in all of our lifetimes, isn't it? Most of the people complained about hair fall, dry hair, frizzy hair, etc. So there is something that you have to give importance and nourish. So let us now talk about, there are some myths that people generally get confused about hair care. So let us now see what are they. Most of the people blindly depend upon the advertisements. Each and every person's hair is entirely different depending upon the constitution of the body. So you should never blindly depend upon the advertisements and try to take care and attend to your body. A lot more of people take care of their hair only externally by applying all types of hair, shampoos, conditioners, herbal hair packs, etc. So it is not that your hair needs only external care, it needs much more. So after watching this video, make sure that you are going to love your hair internally too. Do you really know that you have a lot around of things around your home that will help you to love your hair? So I'll be explaining you all these and all the herbal methods to take care of hair in the next video. So make sure you stay connected with Divine Veda to know what are the herbal remedies as well as the treatments and some special points that I will tell you all. As Ayurveda always explains that you have to cure the root cause of the condition to just completely get rid of that. So as example, if what I would say, if a person is having any kind of secondary health conditions like thyroid or PCOD, if that person is having hair loss, so there is some reasons and problem related to your body. So there in that condition, you have to take care about that condition in the body. Maybe it is thyroid or PCOD. So you have to give importance to the root cause and treat that first rather than just giving importance them externally. So make sure if you're having any kind of root cause conditions, do meet an Ayurvedic physician, get your consultations done and make sure you get into the track. I hope this video was beneficial for you. I have added as much of tips possible that would be helpful for you and you can add them in your daily life to get benefited too. Make sure you follow with us because in the coming days, I would be explaining you about a lot more regarding hair care in Ayurveda. In the coming days, I will be explaining the most important and the interesting topic, that is diet and lifestyle management. Do you think that diet and lifestyle management are important in hair care? Yes. You have to wait till the next video is uploaded. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so that you get notified from each and every videos from us. Divine Veda is here with a mission and a vision to spread positivity and to spread all the informations about health, lifestyle, diet management. So stay connected with Divine Veda for much more and make sure you follow us in Instagram and Facebook too. So thank you and meet you in the next video. Namaste.